at you with another video. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you guys are finding what you're looking for out there in the wild. I can keep complaining, but hey, it's still dry here. That's all good. So guys, we're gonna kick off with some random cars that I would like to show. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, you know what to do. So the first piece, guys, we're gonna look at is this 74 Capri. This is from Matchbox. Check it out. Let's see if I can get some more better light on it. Let's get you some light. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Little Chico hair on there. Sorry about that, guys. Green interiors. They let me down. You guys know how much I like Matchbox car, but they really let me down on this one. No real detail, but it's all good. The casting is still sweet. It's pretty nice. Throw on the wheel. You guys take a closer look at her. Yeah. It's overall a nice car, guys. This is the second one. The other one I have, I think, is gray. So it's nice to find the second one with the color variation. And this one is also got, if you could see on the inside, check it out. This is what, left hand, right hand? Right hand drive, I have to think. Pretty sweet. Next up, guys, check out the base. This is the Ford 40 plastic base. Nice color though. Parachute on the back. Pretty sweet. So when you see this, guys, you know this is all about speed. I really like this yellow and the red with the black trim. Like the wheels. Yeah, that front end. Sweet. Yeah, there's something happening there. You guys can see that side compared to that side. But it can always be perfect. And it says on the top, Hauling 40. This is a nice piece. From Matchbox. Check it out, guys. Tell me what you think. So it's not going to be that long of a video. I'm going to try not to make it long. But I definitely want to share with you guys, so you guys see what I'm working with in the collection. And this is the first time I've shown this one since I had it. And also first time showing this Capri. Okay, next one, guys. As you guys can tell, Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Sorry, guys. Check out the wheels. This is another one I haven't shown. This one was hard for me to find when it came out. It took me a while to find this one. Because you can see all of the promotions, or ads, or advertisements on the side of the car. Check out that front end. Scoop. Interior is black, as you guys can see. I like this color combination, yellow and black. Pretty nice. Antenna. Racing stripes. And the color also is pretty awesome. So next up, guys, we're going to be showing the F50 STV Lightning. So this one, guys, it came out of the 9-pack that I had. If you guys remember, I was telling you that I was missing the car out of it, so I wound up taking them out of the 9-pack and giving the ones away to the kid, one of my neighbors. So I kept the good ones.
If you had more.
Oh, he's asking for more. I just gave him cars the other day. He wants more already.
He was out there playing with them on the way.
So it's a nice piece. I'm happy that they did something with the tail light section. I like the rims. I think the PR5s. Like this color. As you guys know, with Hot Wheels, it's always a hit and a miss, but I guess these tampos, but hey, I'm glad they put something on the back. The front end. Interior is black. And my neighbor kid is not shy of asking for cars. You think I'm supposed to give him cars every day? Like, I don't have cars every day. I go through my collection and I find what I don't want and I give it to him. But it's not like every day I do that. And he's one of the kids, he's the kid like we used to be as a kid. It actually plays with him. And they would say, play where? Yeah, he's that kid. And sometimes he kind of like leaves them out there, and then that was like, it's not good. Okay, so next, guys, is the Acura NSX. Again, this is another piece from the 9-pack. I will did give me some. Okay, I'm losing my focus. Come on, get back in the. There you go, lock her in. I'm sorry, guys. So Hot Wheels did give me some real detail, which is pretty sweet. The honeycomb wheels. This is a nice color. You did a great job with this. I still don't know out of the 5-pack, well, out of the 9-pack, what car was exactly missing, so I kind of like rolled it off. So I missed out on whatever it was, so it must have been important for them to take it out. So I don't get it. It's easy. I mean, we as collectors are, look, who would do that? I mean, I understand if a kid would do something like that, that's one thing. But I don't think half the time it's kids that's going in and taking these cars. I think it's collectors, to be honest. I know kids take something. I can't blame them all on collectors. I know kids takes a lot. But you will figure, man, you get home with your parents, you know you're left without a car. And next thing you know, you come home you got this car that you're playing with. It's like somebody should have like, okay, hey, something ain't right. But who knows? So guys, out of the whole thing, this is the exclusive, and it is the 70s, I think it's 71 Maverick grabber. Yep. This is what I was shooting for when I was looking at the pack. I don't know how much so they did an awesome job with this one. I like the colors. I just wish they would give me some more. No, I get it. If this is exclusive, they should at least, doll it up, put better wheels and the whole 9 yards. But I can't complain. It came with the set. I was looking for it, and I'm happy I got it. And hope you guys like it also. So let's switch off, tag in. That is a very, very cool car. Okay, the next one, guys, is called, I think it's called Count Muscular. I can't read it. I hate when they have the silver base. It makes it hard to read. So guys, this is a fantasy car, as you guys could tell, but look at it though. It may be a fantasy car, but I think it's pretty freaking awesome. So, flames. Oh, this is pretty cool. It is very nice. No taillight action, but hey. And that would be the last one, guys. So guys, again, thank you for checking out the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed the show. If you tell me which one you like. All good. And as always, guys, leave a comment if you choose to. If you don't, it's all good too. And if you do decide to leave a comment, check out my friends in the comment section. They're a bunch of great guys. They have great content. They do customs. They do a little bit of everything. Alright, so I'm going to bounce, guys. I'm losing my angle on my camera. Keep moving it around so I keep hitting it so it's doing whatever it's doing. So guys, until the next one, guys, this is your boy Gary. I'm signing off. Deuces now. Y'all take care. Keep hunting. Bye now.